In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share Google Slides in WhatsApp. By the end, you'll be able to send a clean, clickable link that your contacts can open instantly without dealing with file attachments or version confusion. Start by opening your Google Slides presentation. Make sure you're looking at the exact deck you want to share. This works the same whether you're on a computer or using the Google Slides mobile app, as long as you're signed in to the correct Google account. Next, look to the top right of your screen and click the Share button. This opens the sharing window where you control who can see your presentation. Before you copy anything, check the access settings so your recipients can open the link without running into permission errors. In the sharing window, locate the section that controls who has access. Change it from restricted to anyone with the link. This tells Google Slides that anyone who receives your link can open the presentation. For most situations, viewer access is the safest choice because it lets people see your slides without making changes. If you specifically need feedback, you can switch to commenter, and only if you fully trust your audience should you choose editor. If you're using a work or school account, you might see organization-specific options. Choose the setting that best matches who you want to reach. Now click Copy Link. This copies the unique shareable link to your clipboard. If you want to be extra confident, you can keep the sharing window open for a moment and double check that the access really says anyone with the link. With the link copied, open WhatsApp, choose the individual chat or group where you want to share the presentation. Tap or click into the message field, paste the link, and send. On a phone, a long press in the message box gives you the paste option. On a computer, use Ctrl-V or Command-V. WhatsApp will recognize it as a link, and your recipients can simply tap or click to open your slides in their browser. A few quick tips before we wrap up. If your recipients only need to view the slides, keep access at Viewer to protect your content. Avoid sharing sensitive information with broad access links. If you update the slides later, the same link will show the latest version, which is great for keeping everyone on the same page. And if you ever need to stop sharing, go back to the share settings and switch access back to restricted. That's it. Your Google Slides are now shared in WhatsApp with a simple, reliable link.